Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and it's a lovely summer day here in New York City, but I'm stuck inside the office. Well, because I have a lot of work to do. That's life, right? But I'm also glad because it keeps me off the streets and prevents me from flipping the out because people are constantly bumping into me left and right while playing Pokemon Go. Put the game away, look up, watch where you're walking, guys, and ladies too. And I'm also glad because it's nearly 4 o'clock, the markets, they're about to close, and after spending $11.43 on 2 coffee drinks, I need myself a real one. It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks are a lot higher this Tuesday afternoon as fears over Brexit are way back in the past, and as Japan signaled more economic stimulus. And as expected, the S&P 500 moving higher in record territory, and the Dow Jones breaking above its all-time intraday high. A big day for the big board. But first, we'll begin on the data front. Wholesale inventories for May showing a 0.1% gain in line with expectations, while the job openings and labor turnover summary, better known as JOLTS, for the month of May showed openings were down to 5.5 million from 5.79 million the previous month. But a lot of attention today was overseas as Interior Minister Theresa May set to become the United Kingdom's Prime Minister on Wednesday. Also over in Japan, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe ordering new stimulus after his coalition won an election in Japan's upper chamber by a landslide last Sunday. Japan's Nikkei 225 index rising nearly 2.5%, while the yen erasing all of its post-Brexit gains against the dollar. All of them. You're teaming with the U.S. dollar settling 4.5% higher, 46.80 a barrel. The dollar trading about 0.1% lower against its counterparts, and a ton of Fed head speeches that all said roughly the same things. Then you have yourself a session right now where about 3 stocks are on the upside for every decliner, just a block away at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second trading session of the week. And rather than talk about the corporate front, because there really wasn't a lot going on, we're going to talk about sports. And to be honest with you, there's only one thing to talk about. That's the Major League Baseball All-Star Game this evening. And that's really all that matters in sports right now. Well, unless the beast incarnate, Brock Lesnar, shows up at the game to break some bats and introduce San Diego to Suplex City. I can dream, can't I? For Modern Wall Street saying, have yourself a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm James Sweeney.